Good Wednesday afternoon to all. Hi, it's Jackie from the basement. Happy with a Twist Acrylic Pours Plus. And I came down here to look at something. And I thought, well, let's do a paint pour. I already have a little bit of white in here. And I'm going to finally use that blue. Alrighty. It is Artist Loft Neon Blue mixed with Artist Loft Pouring Medium, which is a gloss, and Floetrol. Let's see how this plays with the ready mixed Artist Loft. We're just doing a little test. I'm not going to take a whole bunch of time here, heaven forbid. I'm going to try and make it less than 9 minutes before I get something on here. Really, people. That was actually kind of comical. Okay, and we're going to put some black into here. Now, mind you, I'm just coming down here and spur of the moment. Don't know what I'm doing yet. So, alrighty. I'm going to mix some silver with that black. Okay, first we're going to use the correct one. Alrighty. Here we go. Do we want any pink in this? You know what? Let's do it. Nope. We're going to go with red. We're going to go with red. Though pink would look pretty. Okay, we'll do pink. You talked me into it. Alright. I still haven't brought that tool down to snip off that plastic piece. But that's okay. Gonna try more of that blue. I'm tilting the cups just a little bit so they'll be more layered. There is kind of a thing about, I mean, I'm no professional here, but if you squeeze it in, then it goes down in. But if you pour it gently, you get different results. Someday I'll have to figure that one out. Okay, okay. Yes, I did put white in the bottom. All right. Had to make sure. Alrighties. Okay. Now, the painting that Sally did this afternoon on her channel was cute. Oh my gosh, the pastels were adorable. I looked on Amazon and could not find those. That set for the US. So, Alright, what else are we going to put in here? Got my doggy walking around here in the background. She's trying to... Okay. We're going to put some of the deep yellow into here. Alright. We're just going to throw colors in there. Willy-nilly. Okay, some more of that blue. That's going to make it green. Put silver over the yellow. Well, dagnabbit. I'm trying to rush. Now we'll do more of the blue. And then I think we're going to be done with the pouring of these. Now it's a matter of how we want to do this. Do we want to do a flip cup, ribbon pour, A flip and lip. Do it over a bottle bottom. Let's do an old-fashioned flip cup. Attempt to center your paint there. Okay. Hopefully it's back on the right place. If I didn't say before, it's kind of important to have it on a surface that's flat, that doesn't have a lot of, let's measure this. Ooh. Okay. Move it up a bit. There we go. Get you back in frame here. Okay. There we go. The last pour I did, it wasn't exactly on the best, so it kind of dragged it a little bit, ran off the sides, but it'll be fine. I'm letting those paints kind of roll down there while I clean up my table. Okay. Now for an easier flow, I'm going to use some white around here so that it flows a lot easier when it does come out. I had never thought of whacking it on the table until I saw Sally struggling. It's like, well, let's just tell her to whack it around. It worked. Okay. All right, and here we go. These should not have any cells in them because it's the Artist Loft. You can use different paint brands and they will create these cells. Okay. First, let's give this a torching. There's a lot of bubbles there. And bubbles can create pinholes. Alrighty. Now we're just going to play with this a little bit. Get some designs in there, see what we can do. I may have to add more white. I'm not sure. We'll see how it flows. I may have wanted to put more into that cup, but yeah, sometimes you just don't know until you get it on the canvas. Okay. I still got to learn how to do the fancy swirly whirlies. Okay. One moment while I gather some gloves. I will put you on pause though. Okay, we are back. It took me a couple minutes. Didn't want to waste anyone's time. Okay. And if I can get hold of it, here we go. Oh, I probably should have put a marble in here. That might have been something I could have done with this. And this is a 10 by 10 stretch canvas. Ooh, there we go. Okay. Take it down there. This is going to be a little bit darker than I wanted it to be, but we'll see what we can do with this. Okay. And are still quite a bit of little bubbles in there, so clean my hands off for a moment. As I'm somewhat looking it over. Excuse me. This will hopefully have a little bit of shimmer in it when it's dry. A little bit of metallic shimmer. There we go. Because of the silver in here. So, let's get that torch again. Okay. Now there are some cells over here. That's odd. Alright. Now we're going to bring you down for a close-up. Helmets and seatbelts, please. Boom. Gotta position myself. I probably threw through the trash again, didn't I? Yep. See the cells? Now, if it were the blue ones, if it was blue, I'd say, okay. But it's not. And that over there looks, okay, it's probably the bright, or the bright orange, whatever I used. Okay. Alrighties. Okay, well, we did an experiment, I guess. And we will find out tomorrow how that other blue dries, how it plays with the rest of them. Hopefully tomorrow. It's getting a little bit warmer downstairs, or cooler. So it's going to take a little bit longer to dry properly. So, I hope everybody has a wonderful Wednesday evening. And, well, we got something popping up over here. And, like and subscribe. And we will see you next time. Jackie from the basement. Happy with a twist. Acrylic Pours Plus. Bye-bye for now.